How to update iOS 26 beta now on your iPhone. I'm using iPhone 16 and iPhone 11. You can see in iPhone 16 the iPhone to iOS 26 beta is available, but in 11 no option available. So how to install and update iOS 26? For that, go to your Safari browser and type developer Apple, this option. Go to Apple developer, then press on this through dotted line, then press on accounts and log into your with your Apple ID. Make sure you are using this Apple ID, and I am logged into with user and password. So once it complete, then you can see this kind of interface. Press on enroll today, then I already complete this process. If you don't have, just complete the process. And now if you go back to your setting, then press on beta update, then you can see iOS 26 developer beta. Press on this option. Now go back, then you can see iOS 26 beta. Then press on update now. Enter your passcode. Now it's updating. Update a request. Now wait 1 or 2 minutes, then it will be update. Please continue the video. I will show you the full process actually. Now within 1 minute it's showing, it's updating. Now you have to wait at least 1 hour to complete the process. It's depend on your internet speed actually. So I am waiting. Now download complete and it's coming with hello. And to skip it, but swipe up and you can see the transparent lock screen. Press on continue. And again press on continue. Now it's down. Let's open the control menu, and I am using the